roast me?
Desert out here.
Yo, do you own this land?
You're right in front of a fucking house.
Do you own this land? Do you own this land? Do you own this land? Don't move to the desert if you don't want the desert. Welcome to another beautiful, wonderful day. The other day when we were stranded on the bus, we found this really cool little motocross track in that open desert. So today we're gonna go and have Mike practice a little bit, and I'm gonna goof off a little.
Just talking shit. Rude as hell.
That is so steep. Oh my gosh. I think it's supposed to be this way. I don't know though. I don't know for sure. It's very confusing. Oh my gosh, it's so tight. Oh, and then you do it there. I'm gonna follow Mike. And then you're supposed to go over here. Oh, I see. It's so tight. It's so tight.
Yeah, it's so tight.
Set your backpack down.
Oh yeah.
Yo! What's that? What's that? I can try my best. I'll keep it in second. Is that really dusty? Oh, you should have moved to the desert then. It's dusty here. It was a joke. I said you shouldn't move to the desert then. It's dusty here. Okay. That's unnecessarily hostile. I'm just joking with you, dude. Alright, no worries. I'll try and keep the dust down. I'll keep it in second. You good?
short.
It's pretty short. You want to follow me?
I've been trying.
All right.
I'll do my thing.
Cool. Oh, here we go. Now he's going to show us up. This guy trying to roost me? No, he's being a dick.
That's what I mean.
Are you trying to roast me? Yo, what's your problem? What's your problem? I can't hear you. What's your problem?
No fucking houses.
I can't hear you.
Standing right in front of a fucking house.
Do you own this land? Do you own this land? Do you own this land?
Well, I can see the food situation. Well, I'm just here to check the decoration. Well, I'm here to supervise the preparations for the summer sun celebration. Sorry.
Roll. Come on, Mike. Yo, do you own this land? Let's roll. Come here.
What do you want to do?
I don't want any
What?
trouble with you. I'm
What?
just trying to talk to you.
I've tried to asking you nicely, dude.
I said I'll keep it in second gear.
All the fucking riding places, this is where you want to run that little bitch ass track.
Yeah, it's cool.
They're little cars for my kids, my grandkids.
How am I
homie.
supposed to know
Go
that?
ride somewhere else.
How am I supposed to know that?
Well, fuck.
Yeah, we were right there. You could have said that. Listen, you were right there. You could have said
I
that.
asked you nicely. You want to be a smart aleck, not you. This one.
Maybe if you learn to listen to
If
someone.
you know something, you don't sit right, but if he was out in the dust and the wind blowing this way, common sense.
You make it more dense than all of us put together.
I'm gonna go get something to make some stuff.
Man, I'm out of here.
You guys are little bitch.
Don't move to the desert if you don't want the desert. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Yeah, it's the desert. It doesn't, are you gonna go fight him?
Oh, whatever. He's just a dick and pisses me.
If you want to go back and fight him, fight him. But there's no rights here, it's the desert.
It ain't worth it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just pissed. I just don't think he should be able to ruin our fun. It's not his land, you know?
It's not his land.
I feel like we shouldn't have left. We should have just ignored him and just kept riding.
He was gonna crash into one of us.
That's true. Yeah, but then you call the fucking cops and he gets arrested. We have it all on camera.
You don't call the cops.
Oh, yeah. Well, then you go and beat his fucking ass.
You want to go back and beat his ass? See, I feel like he's the type of person to call the cops.
Yeah, that is true.
Because,
oh, no, they beat my ass and then he fought. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I was kind of like, let's move along. Because people that are that loud and ridiculous are looking for a fight so they can fulfill something in their life. If you swung at that guy, he would have called the cops instantly.
But I felt feared for my life though.
Really?
Dude, did you?
Yeah, I saw he hit you.
No, he came up alongside me.
Yeah.
And then he turned towards me.
Yeah.
And I fucking moved out of the way because he almost hit me. So I was like, what? That's why I started fucking yelling. That's why I started losing it. And then when I was yelling at him like this, my hand was like this.
Yeah.
He came up so close that my hand hit his tire.
Are you okay?
That's why I was like, what the fuck? It didn't. It's fine now, but it was like, what the fuck, dude?
Just for the video.
That's why whatever. It's better to walk away. I understand. But technically, I was fearing that he was gonna hurt me.
Your backpack's open. Alright, just for context of the video, there is open desert. Well, all of this is open desert, open land. The other day we were broken down and we saw a nice little track right there, which has ATV and dirt bike marks all over it, not RC cars.
Yeah. No.
And so we're like, hey, well, you know, Mike's a new rider. Let's go play over there a little bit. And this guy freaks out, you know, like you guys saw. And I'm like, I'm fucking around with him because it's stupid. We live in the desert. You're just complaining about dust. Yeah. And then comes out with a SANDRAIL like a crazy person.
You know, he was saying like, oh, well, you're getting dust in the neighbors' houses and getting into my house and blah, blah. But then he takes out that thing that caused way more dust.
Yep.
Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, so that's how it goes sometimes, and it's better to just go, because someone like that would instantly call the cops as soon as you swung at him or something like that or defended yourself. He just crashed into you, but you would be the problem. That's how it goes. It's boomers for you.